You guys, how you doing? Marlon here for Southwest Plus Southwest. Today I just want to show you guys how to easily clean a large double hung like this, windows clean like this. So see the basic panning technique on it. So the one that I am currently using. So right here, you have to map the window. I'm gonna do it very slowly, so as you can see it a little better. Like this. Either way, which one you're going to use it? The left side or the right side? I think just gonna use the right side for now. So right here, I'm just gonna go cut it through here, and then turn. And squeeze with my hand. Just turning into the side, and go straight down. And then after that, I'm gonna do it through here. Now you're not going to go straight up, it's already clean, so we're just gonna go for, you cut the one that's up earlier, and then you turn all the way to cut again slowly, and voila, it's all done. Then just a little bit of fanning, wiping here, and it's clean. So yep, basically what I'm doing. You don't have to just keep panning your hand like this. Save your time. You guys, take it easy, and send a comment if you like. I'll tell you guys. Bye bye.